wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
I came up with a craft. You know, last time you gave me homework and you told me I should come up with a craft.
Yeah.
And so I came up with one.
Ooh, what did you come up with? Oh, kids, I'm so excited.
So because I love puzzles, I was wondering if we can make a craft out of this puzzle.
Wow.
And because I like space and everything, you know, I made a spaceship puzzle.
Wow, how did you do that?
Well, basically, I took a piece of paper like this, like a thick cardboard paper.
Okay, like a cardstock?
Yep. And then I printed out this picture and glued it on there.
Whoa.
But now it's all just white, you know? But then I made like puzzle traces. So with the help of Dad, he helped me cut it out.
Wow.
With a knife. Because he's better than with that.
Yeah,
and it's dangerous. And so now I can basically punch out these pieces and they're puzzle pieces. But before I do that, I was wondering if we maybe can color them.
Ooh, yeah. Did you make me one too?
Yeah. Here's yours.
Ooh.
And here's mine.
Oh, I'm so excited. Guess what?
What?
This will go perfect. I wanted to show you that I got some new markers for us. These ones right here in the middle.
Yeah.
These are metallic markers.
Metallic markers?
So they're supposed to be shot.
Are they out of metal?
Yeah, it's made of metal. No. But it's like shiny. So
it'll make your puzzle shiny.
Yeah. It'll be like a little bit of silver is like mixed in. So it's not quite as spark.
You're going to make your puzzle shiny?
Yeah. So it's going to be like a little bit of silver is mixed into the color. It's not quite as shiny as if I put glitter on it, but it's just a little bit more shiny than a regular marker. I'm excited to try them. I don't know. I haven't used them yet.
Okay, well, I'm going to use these markers.
Okay, yeah.
And because Saturn is a yellow planet, it's all gassy planet. Remember from our science episode?
Oh, yeah,
I'm going to make Saturn yellow.
Okay, I think I'm going to go a little bit more less realistic, and I'm going to make Saturn maybe purple and a little bit of pink. Is that okay? I'm just going to do do colors I like, kids. So you can do it either way. You can do it.
I do it the way it is in real life.
Yeah, you can do it like real life, or you can do it more maybe abstract. Abstract means not exact, like just your idea of a representation of it.
You're abstract.
I am a little abstract.
And I'm a realist.
You are a realist. Yeah. Sometimes it seems like it'd be hard to be a realist. Yeah, I think the pink one's really, really good at metallic. I think I'm going to use a lot of pink in this. And down here. What's what do you think this planet is in the corner, Noah? The one that's striped.
That's a rainbow planet.
Ooh, a rainbow planet. Okay, I'm going to do that one different colors then.
I'm making mine super colorful and super realistic.
I'm just going to use just the 4 colors that are metallic.
I know this is not part of the puzzle, but I'm still going to make a blue outline.
Oh, that'll be fun though, because the puzzle's in the middle, so that's like the blue frame that goes around it. That's a good idea.
Yeah. Then we know this is mine.
Yeah, and then we'll know whose pieces go into which one. This puzzle is actually going to have a lot of pink and a lot of purple on it for me. Actually, more purple than you think. Ooh, and look at the shooting star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm making mine red, white, blue.
Ooh, your star. I'm making my shooting star pink and purple. Like it's mostly purple and then pink, like as if it was a red fire, but it's pink because we're far away. So it's like psh, burning across the sky as it flies. And then I'd close my eyes.
They're not pink.
But they can be. See, it looks good pink. It looks good pink.
That doesn't look real.
Yeah, but I'm not making it real, remember? I'm making mine abstract or imaginary.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing mine creative. Wait a minute. You have a rainbow planet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
a rainbow.
A rainbow planet doesn't look real. There's no rainbow planet. I remember
We don't know.
There's Mars,
We
and
haven't.
Jupiter, and Pluto.
It's okay. That's my imagination. Rainbow, just like that in the background.
Exactly, I love it. So see, so your imagination is great. So is mine. I think I'm mostly done.
Okay, I'm done too.
Okay. All right. Do you want to show yours first since it's more realistic, or do you want me to show mine first?
I want to show mine first.
Okay.
I love this one.
All right, you show yours first.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
Out of this world.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. It's very, very, very pretty. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a yellow Jupiter with blue, green stripes.
Yeah, rings.
Rings. Sorry, rings. And then I have, you see down below there? You see
Yeah.
down below there?
Yeah.
It's my rainbow planet.
Rainbow planet, like
Yep.
right there.
And
Also your shooting star.
yeah,
Yeah. And your shooting star is what color?
it is blue,
Ooh.
red, and yellow because the white, I didn't like the white being white. I first wanted to do like the US colors, blue, red, and white. But the white, it was too boring, so I just made it yellow.
That's fair.
Because stars are yellow.
Yeah, stars are yellow. At least how we see them, huh?
Yep.
And mine.
I'm taking my puzzle out.
Okay. Well, can I show my puzzle first?
Sure. Okay.
Okay. So here's mine, guys. So I did a pink and purple planet, and it also says out of this world. And then in the bottom corner, instead of a rainbow planet, I did blue and green.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He's
Sorry.
not listening.
Okay, what did you say?
It's okay. I won't. say.
No, I'm sorry. I already
No,
put
it's
it
okay.
down.
You don't need to. You
Oh.
don't need to see it.
But I do want to see it.
Do you? You don't seem like you do.
Yeah, I put it down. I told you. Sorry.
Okay. Here it is.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That metallic pen is pretty cool.
Yeah, isn't that neat? It's very shiny.
It is.
And out of this world, I made each word a different color.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
That's
Cool.
very purpley.
Yeah, thank you. It's very purpley and very pinky, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna take mine out too. Should we try and do
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna break up all the pieces. I try and start with the corner pieces.
Well, I do not just the corner pieces, but I do the whole frame, the outside frame.
Oh yeah, yeah. I do the corners. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, and then the outside frame, and then I work my way in.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't you do my puzzle and I do yours?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love that idea. Okay. You can give me yours, and then I'll give you the rest of mine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And there's the rest.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I don't need your frame though.
Oh, I thought I was using your frame because it had the blue.
Oh, there was.
Yeah. Do you want me to use your frame because it has the blue?
No,
or?
I'm just gonna do it freehand.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Okay?
Okay.
Or do you want to put it in the frame? We can.
Yeah, I want to put yours in the frame.
Okay.
Or we can do it different.
Then I guess I'll put yours into.
No. It'd be fun to do it different. You can do yours one way, and I can do mine one way, or.
Well, now
No?
it's too late.
Noah's very rule oriented.
Yeah.
It's funny actually. I would think that you would be the one who wanted to use the frame, and I would be the one who didn't want to use the frame.
But maybe this time I was abstract.
You were. You should stay with it. Be abstract.
Yep.
Do it. Go.
Okay. I'm done.
I'm done too.
I was faster.
I don't know. I was already holding mine up.
Well, we all know because why.
Yeah, he was a lot faster, kids. I was having problems with my puzzle.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mine is done.
Wow, that looks really, really good.
Did I do it nicely? Did I put it nicely together?
Yeah, you put it together totally correctly. How about mine or yours? Did I get it right?
There are fingerprints all over.
Yeah, the markers were sticking to my fingers. I'm sorry. Did I ruin it?
Now I have to do it again.
Will you like doing it again because it's a puzzle?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I was nervous. I thought I ruined it for you. I'm sorry.
I guess we should say goodbye to the kids.
Yeah, let's say goodbye to the kids.
Because they don't want to see me do it again.
Yeah, and then we'll do your puzzle again, yeah?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, awesome.
Okay.
Bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
We'll see you
Have fun.
next time.
Yeah, we hope you have fun making puzzles.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I do. I love puzzles.
Yay, me too. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, put the corner piece in there. Ooh, good. Should I break these pieces up?
No, it's
No?
okay.
Okay. Yeah, put the yellow in it. Yeah.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!